heavy rain and strong winds affecting southern parts of England during the course of tomorrow afternoon. And then our attention is drawn to the north. A cold plunge from the Arctic, an early taste of winter, would you believe, for some northern hills. But that's some way off at the moment. As I say, things are quite quiet. We do have a frontal band bringing some thicker cloud across parts of Ireland, through into the province, the Scottish borders too. Some patchy rain here, the odd heavy burst across Northern Ireland as I speak. But to the north and west of that, it's mostly dry and fine. Some glorious sunshine for the northwest Highlands through this afternoon. And to the south and east across the bulk of England and Wales, it's dry with some sunshine, a fair amount of cloud and the odd sharpish shower developing across Wales and the West Country. In the sunshine, it's not too bad, 18 or 19 degrees across the southeast, bit of a breeze picking up. More generally, we're looking at the low to mid-teens. Now that breeze will help to keep the temperatures up across many parts of the UK, except perhaps across some Scottish glens. Touch of frost quite possible here, maybe some patchy fog as well. The odd shower dotted around, but the emphasis certainly on dry weather overnight until breakfast time, that is. Then we see a change. Some thickening cloud, outbreaks of heavy rain knocking on the door of the south coast by then, and it's really downhill all the way for southern counties of England as we go through some more thickening cloud, those outbreaks of rain, the wind picking up too. Further north though, dry for the most part, some brightness, still that lingering front bringing the odd spot of rain through the central lowlands for a time, but even that should tend to die away, and the mist across the highlands should clear to allow some brightness. But down across the south, as I say, it will be downhill. We'll see those outbreaks of rain developing, pushing ever northwards, really a line from roughly East Anglia across to Cornwall by the end of the afternoon. Some heavy outbreaks of rain here, as I say, the wind picking up all the while, touching gale force in the most exposed places. Not a very nice end to the afternoon, it has to be said. Now, the weather front responsible is really going to grind to a halt across the southern and eastern parts of England as we go through into Thursday, bringing further spells of rain. Meanwhile, up to the northwest, we'll have another front approaching the northwest of Scotland, bringing some patchy rain here. That will be quite significant. But in between, we'll see some brightness during the course of Thursday. But then as that front pushes southwards over the next few days, it will bring increasingly cold Arctic air. Yes, we're going to be using that word wind chill before too long, Darren.